This Emeril Everyday 8 inches. No lid. Forever Fry Pan aims to be a reliable tool in your kitchen. It boasts a triple-layer non-stick coating. This feature helps food slide off easily, so cooking becomes less of a sticky situation. Cleaning up is also simpler, and this can save you time after meals. The pan is dishwasher safe. This adds to the convenience. You can just load it in with your other dishes. Moreover, it is oven safe up to 500 degrees. This aspect expands your cooking choices. You can start dishes on the stove and finish them in the oven. This is great for searing and then roasting. The Emeril Everyday 8 inches. No lid. Forever offers versatility for various cooking conditions. While it doesn't include a lid, the Emeril Everyday 8 inches. No lid. Forever is still quite useful. It is designed for everyday cooking. You can use it for frying eggs or sautéing vegetables. It is also good for making sauces and heating up leftovers. The non-stick surface can contribute to healthier cooking. This is because you might need less oil. Experience the ease of cooking with the Emeril Everyday 8 inches. No lid. Forever. Pros. 8-inch size, no lid needed, non-stick, triple-layer coating, dishwasher safe, easy to clean. Oven safe, up to 500 degrees, versatile cooking, durable design. Cons. No lid included, only 8-inch size, non-stick may degrade, not truly forever, can scratch easily, uneven heating possible, handle might get hot, may warp over time, cleaning could be tough, pricier than basic pans. Features. 8-inch size, no lid included, forever fry pan, triple layer non-stick, dishwasher safe, oven safe to 500 degrees F, durable, easy to clean, great for everyday use, non-stick coating. This 8-inch Emeril Everyday Forever Fry Pan is designed for daily cooking and features a triple-layer non-stick coating, making it easy to cook without food sticking and simple to clean. It does not come with a lid. This durable pan is also safe to put in the dishwasher and can be used in the oven at temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This 8-inch Emeril Everyday Fry Pan has a non-stick surface with 3 layers, so food should not stick. It does not come with a lid. You can wash it in the dishwasher, and it's safe to use in the oven up to 500 degrees. This pan is designed to be useful for many kinds of cooking and is made to last. However, the non-stick might wear out over time, and it could get scratched. It might not heat evenly. The handle could get hot, and the pan might change shape if you use it for a long time. Also, cleaning might sometimes be hard, and it costs more than simpler pans.